That's insane.
Yeah. Oh, look at the windy sign. It's gone.
Oh man, I didn't notice that. Holy crap, it is gone.
There's trees breaking and.
Wow. Okay. I'm gonna wait right here until I can actually pass. I don't want to be under that. I don't want to be under it.
I know you don't want to be under it. Wee. Oh, bark.
Park. There's the windy sign.
Oh, there's the windy sign. I don't know if I caught it on camera. I hope I did.
Oh, this is Hancock.
Okay, so we're getting close.
Yeah, I think I'm in a right turn lane.
I don't know. No, you're good.
Yeah, all right.
Oh, look at the light. It's broke.
Oh,
The light's broken. There's
Holy-
wires hanging
oh
down.
that is not good. Oh no, those are just guidelines.
Okay.
Those aren't powered lines.
I was gonna say, I hope they're not the
But
power.
that one in the middle,
Yeah, it's flinging around.
that's scary. Oh man.
Go ahead, go, babe. Yeah, let's flinging wires.
Oh, go home.
We're going home.